Hey guys, today I'll show you how to configure multiple domains and add email accounts on KeyHelp. In my previous tutorial, I have shown you how to configure KeyHelp to send and receive email messages. So now let's get started. So I have already added my A record. So I have an A record here and we will add a domain. So we will go to domains, click add domain. We'll select an owner and just click continue. We'll add our second domain. We'll uncheck this and let's go to security. We will use let's encrypt. And for email, all good. Okay, all good. So let's go back to general and we will just click save. We will wait for this status to green like this. Okay, let's try to refresh. Okay, all good. Now we will go to the DNS editor. So we'll just click this globe icon. Then we will map these DNS records. Okay, we will add an MX record. So go to mail settings. We will choose custom MX. We will put at and we will use our mail server. So our mail server is mail.webchunks.org and not the new domain. So that will be webchunks.org. We'll set this to 10 and we will save all changes. So now we will go to our DKIM record. So we'll just click show and we will copy this. We will add a text record. So for the host, just paste it here. And for the value, we'll copy this without quotation marks. And just click save. We'll close this one. And we will add our SPF. We'll just copy this. We will add another text record. The host will be at. And paste our value here. Click save. Same with dmark. Another text record. And we'll just copy this. And we'll just click save. And next, we will add our email account. So let's go back to domains. And we will click this under owner. And let's go to email addresses. We'll click add email account. So this will be webchunks.space and let's say Ken. So create a secure password and set your mailbox size. And if you want to add aliases, you can add it here. And if you want to enable forwarding, you can just click this enabled. And we are all good. Okay, let's click save. And if you want to create more, just follow the process. So you can just click add email account or multiple emails. Now let's access our webmail. Okay, scroll down and we'll open this on a new tab. Okay, that will be Ken at webchunks.space, and we'll just paste the password. Okay, now let's try to send an email. Okay, let's click compose, and let's open a mail tester so that we can debug our email server. Okay, we'll just copy this, and we will use an email template, and let's click send. Let's go to mail tester, and we'll click our score, and we have achieved a 10/10 from our newly added domain. And let's try to send an email to Gmail. So let's compose again. So I suggest use a top level domain that is not that space. Use .com, .org, .net, .ai, .io for maximum deliverability rate. Okay, we'll use the same template that we can, and let's open first our Gmail account. Okay, let's go back and let's send this one. Okay, let's go to spam. Okay, there's no spam here. Let's go to inbox, and here we got the email directly to our inbox. So let's try to reply. Let's say confirm. See you tomorrow. Okay, let's send this one. Okay, let's check our inbox. Okay, we received the reply from Gmail. So if you want to warm up this, just use your warming up tool like warmy.io. You can choose a 7-day trial and use your email. So that will be ken at webchunks.space. You will add the password here and just click sign up. Let's go back to our webmail and let's confirm our warmy.io. Okay, we will sign in. Okay, let's get started. Just enter a valid phone number and let's say 10 to 100K. Let's say both, and we'll click next, and we'll just click next. And we will go to mailboxes, and we will add a mailbox. And scroll down, we will use our own SMTP. So we'll just choose custom SMTP. So our email is ken at webchunks.space. Let's say ken. So we'll just use our username. Okay, we'll paste our password. And for our host, that will be mail.webchunks.org. And we will use port 587 And for our IMAP, that will be the same. The host will be mail.webshanks.org. And we will use port 993 and just click connect. And wait for at least 2 minutes for the warm up to begin, and go back after 2 minutes. Okay, now our warming process has taken place, and watch your progress here. And I suggest that if you want to warm up your inbox, give it at least 14 days. So that's it. This is how to configure additional domains on KeyHelp and add email accounts. If you want to add more domains, just rinse and repeat. So if you have any questions, just comment them down and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.